Pink Mouth Cleaning 101. This weekend we caught about 5 gallons. We could have caught 50. No sense in keeping more than you're gonna eat anyway, so right now I'm focused on production, not on quality. When we get to the grouper in the box, that'll be a whole different story. I'll be using real knives and saving all the meat. But this is just production. When I do this, I'm a little different in the fact that I go ahead and cut the fins off the front and the back first. When I cut the anal fin, I just dip under and come through the stomach at the same time just to save on cuts. Then I'll scale the fish, and then I make 2 cuts towards the head at an angle, one like that, flip it over. Both of those are done at an angle because most of the meat is right up here near the head. So here goes, ready to go? I'm gonna make the first cut first. I'm gonna come down. I'm cutting away from my hand, by the way, not towards it. There goes the back fin. This fin's a little more difficult. I kind of go under. I'm holding it up so you can see. And then I come across the stomach. I stop right there. All right, now I scale the fish. When I scale, I come down at an angle like this. And it works very efficiently. You start at the back. And that's one side, and I promise there's no scales left. Back side. Okay. So now he's scaled. I'm going to clean out my bench. Oops, almost dropped my scale. Clean up my bench just a little bit. I'm going to make 2 cuts. I'm going to come at an angle like this on this side. I'm going to flip it over, make another cut like this on this side. Then through. All right. Drop the head, then reach in, clean out the insides. If you grab the white lining, whatever it is, it'll all come out at one time, just like that. But then I finish it up with compressed water, with water. And as you can see, that really does a good job. Makes it all. There you have a nice meal for one person.